Boom Squad!
Shout out to CEO.
Shout out CEO! Shout out CEO! Hi Kuya! Say hi to my vlog! Ay, sorry. Girl, outfit na outfit! Tapos beach vibes tayo lang ga. What the? Oh my God! Hindi ko matanggap. Naka-height na kami.
Simple na.
Steve Jobs.
Steve Jobs minimalist outfit.
I'm trying to be minimalistic.
Hello guys! Hello! First Boom team building. So as you know guys, we are just a small business right now. So but I would like you to meet the Boom team, the CEO, CFO or the head of marketing as well, the COO. This is the janitor. Say hello. Say hello to the girl you are.
Good morning po, tita and tito.
Hello po. Hello po.
Hello guys, so we're going Paradise.
Ay, mag-dancing.
This is my paradise.
Ay! This is my paradise. Ay, correct. Correct lang na. Hello.
Meron na kami sa park.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Ay, pwede mo ito
Mo, di hagon yun. Uy, nice lang. Bili na po kayo dito. Sa Palaro. Okay guys, may crab. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Sige na, akin na.
Feel good talaga. Ma-feel mo good may creature na nag-ano sa'yo.
Cute.
Bay, dapat lagi sa legs mo. Vid. Uy, ano man yan? Uy. Feeling ko dapat ang goal lang hindi siya maalis. Anchana!
Hindi na mga ganun ang hair.
Oo, ganyan. Daddy ka. Day, sige na. Day, racing. Dalian mo. Dalian.
Sige, racing na tayo.
Ang mga seashells.
Hey!
Hey! Hey! Hey! Hey! Hey! Hey!
Uy, picture tayo.
Update. Wala daw. Hindi ako nag-chat. Uy, lingawan ito. Lingaw ko masyado, I swear. Sige na ba? Sige.
Wait lang talaga. Wait lang ha, magtayo ako balik. Okay, kayo siya. Ready?
Okay na, ready?
Wait lang, wait.
Oh, tabo ko. Sabay na yung camera. Guys, we're going to the slide. We're going to the slide. Slide. Init, grabe, guys. So hot. Sorry, dahil hot ang Philippines. Oh! Sorry guys. Ako ang reason bakit hot ang Philippines. Hi guys, we're gonna eat. Ito yung di nagpapasok sa akin.
Ask me if I give a fuck about it, this. Ask me if I give a fuck about it, clear. Ask me if I give a
Diyan siya.
Diyan na siya.
Boss.
Mataas ay jump siya.
'Janelle!
fuck about fine, yeah. Recently I